Hello guys! If your videos turn out to be shaky like this, here is a quick tip on how to stabilize the footage and smooth the playback. First, import the video to CapCut. Select the video in the timeline to access the editing options. In the adjustments bar, look for the stabilize option and select it. Adjust the amount of the stabilization by dragging the slider and see the changes. For best results, set the stabilization to recommended. When you get satisfied with the result, tap the check mark and export the clip. Here is the final result.